I just drug this massive poplar log to my sawmill with my tractor and it got really dirty. Before I go and mill this log, I need to brush the dirt off of it so that way the blade doesn't get dull quickly. Rocks and mud can wreak havoc on a sawmill blade. So you need to do everything in your power to clean the log as much as possible. If I had a water source up here at my sawmill, I would first power wash this log to save my blade. You want your blade to last as long as possible. To clean my logs, I use a wire brush, and that really gets down into the bark and allows you to get all the mud and rocks and gunk out of your logs before you mill it. So if you were curious about how much wood that one log would be able to produce, it was able to produce 3 2x6s, 11 1x3s, and 2 2x4s with some extra scrap. So that's how much I was able to get out of that one log.